Welcome back, guys. It's your boy Call45. So what we getting ready to do is, I talked about one of my O2 sensors was setting CL, check engine light, on the vehicle. So the codes it was throwing, they're like right up here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go get this O2 sensor installed on the passenger front, and we're gonna get down here and show y'all guys how to replace the O2 sensor. So let's go over here in the tools section. All right, so we got an O2 sensor socket. You can use this one or deep, depending on where the location is for the sensor. If you don't have one of these, you know, I'm gonna pick up a crescent wrench that ain't stripped out, got good nice grip on it, you know, like these. I barely use them, so I try to use the right tools. If not, then I just wait to do the job. So remember, anytime you get ready to do a job, make sure you have all your tools that you're gonna need to do the job. That way you're not running back and forth, especially if you only got one vehicle. So enough of me talking, let's go ahead and get this O2 sensor installed on the vehicle. Now the sensor we're going to change is right here. So basically we gotta go in here and remove some of these zip ties that I got going on. So let me do that first, and then we'll get back to this video. All right, so I'm doing all this with one hand, cutting the zip ties and holding the camera. All right, so you just find the back part to get the connector loose. See where that's it right there. I know it's kind of dark, so sorry. All right, once you get it loose, got another one I gotta cut. Bear with me. Don't leave me yet, guys. All right, that's done. So now you just put that on there and break it loose. I already had kind of broke it loose already to kind of sum this video up a little bit. Then just put that up to the side. Grab your new one right here. All right, put some anti-seize on there. Screw it in there. Like that. Now make sure you get it tight, you know, that way you ain't got no exhaust leak. You don't want it rattling out, coming out on you while you do a pool or while you're driving on vacation. All right. All right, that's good. Good old Ugga Dugga right there. You know, you don't need a lot of Ugga Duggas, just a little bit. You know, you might need to take it off because you know how stuff works these days. You know, might last for a little bit, then you turn around, be in there. Who cares? All right, now plug it back up, and then we're gonna zip tie all this stuff together, and then put it back on the ground, start it up, and see how it runs. All right, that is your finished product. All right, let's let her down. All right, so we're inside the car now. We're gonna go ahead, turn accessories on the engage, and clear.
Sync has connected your phone and is reminding you that 911 assist is set to off.
We'll clear this check engine light. So that's the code that was popping up. Clear. Yes. And bam. We're gonna go back. Alright, now that we got the oxygen sensor on the vehicle, yeah, the car needs gas. But my ethanol content is rated at 91%. So the O2 sensor is working. I will have to go get some E85 later and switch the car fully over to E to get it off the flex fuel tune.